Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at rhinoplasty in Turkey, focusing on the before and after results with Lin Health. As a leading clinic in Turkey, we specialize in performing high-quality, natural-looking rhinoplasty that enhance our patients' facial features. If you're considering rhinoplasty or curious about the process, this video will give you a complete overview from consultation to the final transformation. Let's get started. Why choose rhinoplasty at Lin Health? Rhinoplasty is a popular procedure for both men and women looking to enhance their facial profile. At Lin Health, we have years of experience in performing rhinoplasty for patients from all around the world. Why do our patients choose us? It's because we offer personalized treatment plans tailored to each individual needs. We focus on achieving natural results that complement the patient's unique facial features. We understand the importance of getting it right, and we are committed to delivering results that boost both confidence and appearance. The consultation process. What happens before surgery? Before any rhinoplasty surgery, the consultation is key. We take time to discuss the patient's concerns, examine their facial features, and understand their desired outcome. During the consultation, we explain the procedures step by step, showing before and after results of similar cases to ensure that the patient's expectations are aligned with what we can achieve. At Lin Health, we prioritize clear communication and make sure our patients are fully informed and comfortable with the plan. The rhinoplasty procedure. What happens during the surgery? On the day of surgery, we make sure the patient is fully prepared. The procedure typically takes around 1.5 to 2 hours depending on the complexity of the case. Local anesthesia is administered to keep the patient relaxed and comfortable. We use advanced techniques to reshape the nose, preserving its natural appearance while enhancing the overall balance of the face. Our team is highly skilled in making subtle adjustments that ensure a masculine or feminine nose, depending on the patient's goals. After the surgery, patients will experience some swelling and bruising, which is completely normal. We provide detailed aftercare instructions and ensure that our patients have everything they need to make the recovery process as smooth as possible. Ice packs, medications, and follow-up appointments help manage swelling and ensure optimal healing. It's important to rest and avoid strenuous activity during the first few days, but patients will notice improvements as the swelling goes down. Seeing the results from swelling to the final look. The results of rhinoplasty don't appear overnight. It takes time for the swelling to go down and for the nose to fully take shape. Typically, patients start seeing noticeable changes within the first month, and by the third month, most of the swelling is subsided. By the sixth month, the final results are fully visible and the nose looks natural and well integrated with the rest of the face. It is a gradual process, but the transformation is incredibly rewarding. Overall, the experience with Lin Health. At Lin Health, our goal is to help our patients achieve the look they've always desired while maintaining a natural appearance. We take pride in our work, and it's incredibly rewarding to see how rhinoplasty can transform someone's confidence. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that each patient feels supported from start to finish, with expert care and attention to detail. If you've considered rhinoplasty in Turkey, we invite you to trust Lin Health, a clinic known for its expertise and successful outcomes.